When it comes to choosing the right web hosting provider, WP Engine often comes up as a strong contender. But before you dive in, there are 12 things you need to know. We'll be comparing WP Engine to other hosting services like SiteGround and Bluehost, so you can make an informed decision. Stick around until the end to find out whether WP Engine is really the best choice for you or if there's a better solution out there. First thing to note, WP Engine is tailored specifically for WordPress. This means that if you're using WordPress, it's optimized for performance right out of the box. However, this also means if you're using a different CMS or a custom-built site, WP Engine might not be the most flexible option. Competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround offer broader support for other platforms, which might be worth considering. Next thing, WP Engine is known for speed. Their performance is excellent, thanks to their dedicated server environment and caching technology. This is one area where WP Engine really stands out from competitors like HostGator, which can sometimes be slower on shared hosting plans. But keep in mind that this level of performance comes at a price, and WP Engine can be more expensive compared to others like SiteGround. The third thing is the customer support. WP Engine's support is top-notch, offering 24/7 assistance via chat and phone. Their staff is specifically trained for WordPress issues, so they can resolve problems quickly. This is a step above general hosting providers like GoDaddy, where support may not always be as WordPress focused. If premium support is a priority for you, WP Engine excels here. The fourth thing is the pricing. WP Engine is not the cheapest option on the market. Their entry-level plan starts at a higher price than alternatives like Bluehost or SiteGround. However, the cost reflects the premium service, especially with features like daily backups, a staging area for testing changes, and automated updates. It's a great option for businesses that need that extra level of care and security. Fifth, let's talk about scalability. WP Engine has a great system for upgrading your plan as your site grows, with easy migration paths. However, scaling with WP Engine can get pricey quickly, especially compared to other hosting services like A2 Hosting, which offers more affordable upgrade options for growing sites. Sixth, security is another area where WP Engine shines. They offer automatic security updates and free SSL certificates with every plan. They also provide robust protection against hacks with their daily malware scans. While competitors like SiteGround and Bluehost also offer security features, WP Engine takes it to another level with proactive security measures and a real-time threat detection system. The seventh thing is WP Engine's website management tools. They offer a user-friendly dashboard that lets you manage all aspects of your WordPress site, from staging and backups to performance monitoring. Some other hosts, like InMotion Hosting, provide similar features, but WP Engine's dedicated focus on WordPress makes their tools especially efficient. Eighth, if you're running an e-commerce site, WP Engine's integrations with WooCommerce are a big bonus. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress, and WP Engine provides excellent performance and security for it. This sets them apart from cheaper hosting options like Hostinger, where e-commerce support might not be as robust. The ninth thing is the lack of a free domain with WP Engine. While competitors like Bluehost and SiteGround offer a free domain with their hosting plans, WP Engine does not. This is a minor inconvenience, but something to keep in mind when budgeting for your website. 10th, WP Engine offers staging sites, which is a huge bonus for developers. With a staging site, you can test changes without affecting your live website. This is a major advantage over budget options like GoDaddy, where staging sites are either limited or not available at all. The 11th thing is the overall user experience. WP Engine has designed their platform for ease of use, especially for WordPress users. From easy one-click installations to automated updates, managing your site is straightforward. While other providers like SiteGround also focus on user-friendliness, WP Engine's streamlined experience for WordPress users is hard to beat. And the 12th thing to consider is WP Engine's 60-day money-back guarantee. This is one of the longest refund periods available in the industry, which shows they have confidence in their service. This gives you plenty of time to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for your needs.